How do you do addition on Abacus?
It's really easy. Just to say hello, my name is Ishi and today I will be teaching you how to do addition on Abacus. So pick two numbers, Joda.
35 plus 61.
Okay, so you said 35, right? 35. After 35?
Plus 61.
Okay, now you see this. It's just like transforming. So you see the 1 over here. You put a 1 over here. And then you put the 1 over there. Because the 1 is already here. And then you do, you see the 60. You put 6 over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Now you put this back. And then you read the number out. So it's 9. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 96 is the answer. So yeah, we can do another one if you want. Pick another number, Joda.
I'm gonna pick a hard one. 49 plus 53.
Okay, so before I show you the number, I'm gonna tell you a tip. So whenever this gets all full, you have to swap with 1 over here. When this gets full, you have to swap with this. And that's the same for all the others. You have to swap one whenever you do like the addition. So now, what was the number you said, Joda?
49 plus 53.
Okay, now we're gonna use the tip I told you. So you see 3 over here. I'm adding 1 over here. Now it's full, right? I add 1 more here and put it back. I swap it around. And then I do 2 more because that equals 3 and I put this like back. So now I have 5. 5 over here and this is already 5. I add 5, right? Now this is all full. So I have to swap these around and put this back. So the answer is 102. Okay, get it now?
I'm going to pick a hard one. 35 plus 91.
Huh? Oh no!
2,
Wait, fit the
9.
Pick another number, Joda.
And 49 plus 35.
53, eh?
I'm going to pick a hard one. 49 plus 35.
35 eh?